Hey guys, today we are going to see how you can reset your Mac system. It's maybe Mac Mini, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac with the help of any keyboard. It's maybe Windows keyboard, either Mac keyboard. So just relax and watch the full video to completely reset your Mac system. For that all you need to do is to follow this tutorial that how to reset Mac system. So let's get started. We are going to reset a Mac system in just 2 steps. The first step is backup all your data into the external drive and then erase all the data from your computer. Then you have to sign out from your Apple ID. For that you have to click on the search icon and type system preferences and then click sign out. I already did that. Then you have to shut down your system. Now the second step. If you have a window keyboard, then you have to press window key plus alphabet R key and then press the power button on the Mac system. And if you have a Mac keyboard, you have to press command key plus alphabet R key and then press the power button on the Mac system. Once you see the OS utility dialog box, you have to release key from the keyboard. Now you have to click on disk utility option and then click continue. Once you click on continue, the disk utility dialog box is open. Now you have to select your hard drive and then click on erase option. Once your hard drive will erase, you have to click on the done option and then close this dialog box. Now you have to click on the reinstall OS option. Click on continue, then click agree, again click on agree, then select your drive and click install. The process takes some time, it's depend upon your system. Then select your country, then follow the instructions. So this is how you can reset your Mac system. Hope your problem will solve. If you have any query, just comment below. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more interesting and helpful videos. Jai Hind!